make your own homemade salsa? I don't. What kind of cooking show is this? Okay, well, I never have, and welcome to the Silly Kitchen, where today, together, we are going to make my very first salsa at home. I know a lot of people do this in huge batches, and they have this big weekend garage cooking. They do their pasta sauces and their salsas, but I live the condo life. I don't have that much space, and I like salsa, so a lot of the time I buy my favorite brand off the shelf. Not today. Today I'm making it, and we're gonna try to do this simply and easily. Roasting a whole bunch of different ingredients in the oven at high heat, 420 degrees, for about 15 to 20 minutes. Tomatoes, I like to use Roma, some cherry tomatoes as well, onions, garlic. I'm also gonna throw in a couple pieces of bell pepper, and I like jalapeno and I like a little bit of spice, so I'm putting that in there as well. Drizzle it with olive oil and salt before putting it into the oven. Once they're all roasted up, I'm gonna let them cool down a bit before putting them all into my food processor and giving it a little bit of a pulse. I'm not gonna use the puree because I'm not making soup, so I just wanna pulse it until I still have a little bit of chunks in there. And then it needs to cool down. So refrigerate for at least an hour, and hopefully it tastes good. So the salsa tastes great. It's a little bit sweet, not spicy at all, and I did add a little extra lime juice and pepper just to give it a little bit more balance. I also found the longer I let it sit in the fridge, like overnight, the better it got. Now I know some fresh herbs should have gone in there. We're not really a cilantro group of people with my friends and family because they have that soap taste with cilantro, so I didn't add that, but I wonder what else I could add to liven up the salsa. It's good, but it's not great, and I want great salsa. So let me know if you think I should have done something differently, what you do differently. I know a lot of people use canned tomatoes. Maybe I should have only roasted the tomatoes and not the jalapenos. But I think the onions need to be roasted too, because you need to soften them up. So tell me your secrets. I will try salsa again, but I mean, hey, it's not bad for my first go. Thank you for watching The Silly Kitchen and joining me on my salsa journey, and I hope to see you again soon.